What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm breaking down exactly how I've made over $4.79 million deving meme coins. I'm not talking about trading them, I'm talking about building the actual meme coin. The same exact strategy that I use to make a shit ton of money. So trust me bro, you do not want to miss this video. Now back in the day, I used to trade meme coins every single day, trying to make a bit of money, trying to get rich obviously, and every single time I bought into a meme coin, I ended up getting rugged or completely dumped on. Now this coin is a perfect example because it went fucking high, then it just shot down. And that's exactly when I realized the real winners do not buy coins. They actually dev them. Deving means you control everything, the supply, the timing, and the entire hype. As the creator of the coin and the dev, you have nothing to lose. But if you keep trading meme coins, you could potentially lose everything. And if you guys didn't know bro, Solana is fucking pumping. I think it's at $240. Just look at this, $243. It just keeps and keeps going up, and that means there's a bunch of volume in the meme coin market right now, which means it's really fucking easy to make a lot of money just because Solana is high. And that's exactly why you have to watch this video, because it's the perfect moment to start. Now quick note, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice bro, so please don't copy me. Cap! Now the number one mistake that most meme coin devs make is creating their coin on Pump.fun, because here Pump.fun is chaos. Thousands of tokens go live daily, even every single second, and most of them never even get noticed or doesn't get any attention. And if your project takes off, you still cannot even control your own liquidity. That's exactly why smart devs go on Radium or go on other dexes, not Pump.fun. Now with create token.Io, your coin launches directly to Radium. It's instantly migrated and graduated, and trading is live immediately. And that's exactly why thousands of devs that are actually profitable use create token.Io. You will see in just a couple minutes how easy it is to make some money. You guys will see how fast it is to make a coin and potentially make some money. Now with create token.Io, you've got multiple options to make a meme coin. The first one is from scratch. So go on X or any social media platform and pick a meme. So what I mean about that is a narrative. And right now, the perfect narrative that's trending is Face Temper. He just got exposed for being a pedophile, and there's a shit ton of coins being launched by him which are taking off. So that could be a really good narrative. As you guys can see, it's trending, 1.4 million views. That could be good. Elon Musk just reposted, the Guardian reported, that could be good too. Face Bang says Face Clan is coming to an end. That could be good too. It has 1 million views. You know, just narratives like that, right? Then come back to create tokens.io and then name your token, add a ticker symbol, and then just slap in a meme coin logo and then click next and launch instantly after a couple steps. But the second option though, it's my favorite one because it's the most profitable, the copy trending coins tab. These coins are already hot on Pump.fun, you just copy them here and launch them directly to Radium instantly. And because they already have hype and traffic in them, you get instant buyers and bigger profit potential right from the start. That's exactly why I would copy coins to begin with to make my first $10,000, then I would get into custom coins. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to copy a coin. Alright, anyways, let's make this coin real. I'm launching the coin right now so you can see it live in action. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website. It's really easy. All you have to do is install the Phantom wallet extension, then put some crypto inside. Otherwise, just connect and then click on refresh, and let's look for trending coins. I'm gonna go with the Grr coin. It has a last buy 6 seconds ago and a $72,000 market cap, which is really good. So click on create coin. Just ignore the block warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? Every single person is gonna get this, but just go through it. So just proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created shortly. All you have to do is be patient for a couple seconds, and boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's live on the blockchain and you know it's official. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is simple. We're just adding liquidity to the liquidity pool, which makes your token instantly tradable onto Radium. Now there's two simple steps for it. The first one is the amount token A. Just click on 90%. That's gonna implement 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is the amount token B. This is basically your first buy-in into your own coin. You are not losing anything here. It's locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that Solana comes right back inside your dev wallet, which means you have nothing to lose. Just put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above minimum, then click on create pool, and then you should be able to, you know, confirm the transaction. After that, click on refresh right under, and if you scroll down, boom, the Grower coin is now live, our PNL is right here, the coins are right here, and if you click on refresh for a second time, now we're up $230, which is absolutely insane. Now if you click on view on Photon to see the chart, it should load in a couple seconds, just give it some time. Bro, people are already buying this coin. You guys can see. Now let me go on full screen. The chart might look funky, but trust me bro, after a couple minutes it is gonna go up and up and up, because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on Pump.fun, on Radium, on Memescope, on Axiom, wherever the fuck, whichever trading platform, okay, it is gonna show up. I could potentially find it right here in the migrate section. But yeah, anyways, just look at the transactions. They're coming in hot. $40 right into my pocket, $400 in volume, $1,000 in liquidity. Things are looking good, okay? Now this is only the beginning, okay? More and more people are going to start seeing the coin. Come on, I need fucking money in my pocket. Yes! Oh my god, come on, go higher, go higher. Come on, one more big fat juicy buy, bro. Oh my god. Come on, 1.4k in market cap. Now guys, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back when it's time to cash out money. So enjoy the show. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we are pushing $3,000 in market cap. Oh, we just hit it. Now, volume is looking good. Makers, transactions are good. We're still getting buys in. I just made $130 in a couple seconds. Now guys, if you want to make some money, you don't have to. Come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And here you guys can see your profits. For instance, I am up 1.9 thousand USD with a 3.5k market cap. It's still going up. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money. After that, click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you create a meme coin and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because a lot of people don't believe me, boom, $1.85 thousand straight inside my Phantom wallet. No cap, it's all real.